Good morning, students. My name is Miss Ashwini Bhandarkar, and today we are going to study English grammar. Lesson number 3, Name of Animals and Birds. Students, you must have seen animals in the jungle, but do you know their names? No. Okay, don't worry. Now I'm going to take you to the magical world of animal. Tiger. This is a tiger. T for tiger. Tiger, tiger. The tiger is the biggest species of the cat family. Tiger have orange and black strips on their body. Tiger can reach a length of up to 11 feet and weight as much as 300 kg. Zebra. This is a zebra. Z for zebra. Zebra, zebra. Zebra are covered in white and black strips. Zebra are herbivorous animals. That means they only eat plants. This is a deer. D for deer. D-E-E-R, deer. Deer are known for being calm and gentle animal. Deer has long legs. They run very fast. Fox. This is a fox. F for fox. F-O-X, fox. A male fox is called dog fox and a female fox is called vixen. Fox has whiskers on their legs and face. Giraffe. This is a giraffe. G for giraffe. Giraffe, giraffe. Giraffe has a long neck and giraffe is the tallest animal in the world. Students, you must have seen birds flying around your house. But do you know their names? No. Okay, don't worry. Now I am going to take you to the magical world of birds. Owl. This is an owl. O for owl. O-W-L, owl. Owl have large eyes and a flat face. Owl comes out from its nest only at night in search of food. This is a crow. C for crow. C-R-O-W, crow. Crow are black in color and known for their loud, harsh voice. Pigeon. This is a pigeon. P for pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. Pigeon have long wings, powerful muscles. They are strong flyers. Parrot. This is a parrot. P for parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Parrot is green in color. Parrots are very good mimicry and can copy sound that they hear in their surrounding. Sparrow. This is a sparrow. S for sparrow. S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow. Sparrow are brown, grey, chubby birds. They have short tail with powerful beak. Let's move towards the exercise. Animals and birds are living things like you. We all are living things, and animals and birds are also living things like us. They also move around, eat and play. The animals and birds also move around. They go here and there. They eat and they play. Animal and birds have name too. Like us, they also are having their names. A. Some of the following living things live on tree and should sit on the tree. The rest of them needs to rush to the jungle. 2. Help the animal go to the correct place. Options are given. First we'll read the options. CROW crow, FOX fox, OWL owl, PIGEON pigeon, TIGER tiger, DEER deer, SPARROW sparrow, PARROT parrot, ZEBRA zebra, GIRAFFE giraffe. Crow. Crow will sit on the tree or rush to the jungle. Crow will sit on the tree. So we'll write crow in first tree. Fox. Fox will sit on the tree or rush to the jungle. Fox will rush to the jungle. So we have to write in second tree. Owl. Owl will sit on the tree or rush to the jungle. Owl will sit on a tree. So we'll write in number 1. Pigeon. Pigeon will sit on the tree or rush to the jungle. Pigeon will sit on the tree. So we'll write in first tree. Tiger. Tiger will sit on the tree or rush to the jungle. Tiger will rush to the jungle. So we'll write in second tree. Deer. Deer will sit on the tree or rush to the jungle. Deer will rush to the jungle. So we'll write in second tree. Sparrow. Sparrow will sit on the tree or rush to the jungle. Sparrow will sit on the tree. So we'll write in first tree. Parrot will sit on the tree or rush to the jungle. Parrot will sit on the tree. So where we have to write? We have to write in first tree. Zebra. Zebra will sit on the tree or rush to the jungle. Zebra will rush to the jungle. So we have to write in second tree. Giraffe will sit on the tree or rush to the jungle. Giraffe will rush to the jungle. So we'll write in second. Match the picture with the names of animals and birds. In this, we have to match the animals and birds with their names. So first we'll read all the names. MONKEY monkey, GIRAFFE giraffe, DEER deer, HEN hen, MOUSE mouse, TIGER tiger, FISH fish, PARROT parrot, DOG dog, COW cow. Pictures and names are given and we have to match the names with their pictures. So let's start. The first is parrot. We'll match parrot with its picture. The second one is giraffe. We'll match giraffe with its picture. third is monkey. We'll match monkey with its picture. The fourth one is mouse. We'll match mouse with its picture. The fifth one is tiger. We'll match tiger with its picture. The sixth one is dog. We'll match dog with its picture. The seventh one is deer. We'll match deer with its picture. The eighth one is hen. We'll match hen with its picture. The ninth one is cow. We'll match cow with its picture. The 10th one is fish. We'll match fish with its picture. So here we completed our lesson. Thank you, dear children.